So answer the following cases. Your answer should cover the following aspect. Issue involved, provision applicable, analysis and conclusion. Radhakrishnan Cooperative Society, SSC is engaged in the marketing and fertilizer and purchase processing sale. Okay. And SSC has claimed reduction under ATP2D and dividend income received from NAFED and one cooperative banks. Also has an interest on the deposit with cooperative banks. SSC officer extended that aforesaid income is not included in total income and want to invoke section 14A of disallowing the expenditure incurred with respect of earning of income which is not liable to income tax. Discuss whether the action taken by the assessing office is tenable or law. So what is the provision? Provision section 14A. What is this? Expenditure income in relation to income which does not forming part of total income under the act will not be allowed as a computing the total income of the assessee. So such expenditure which is not formed part of the total income, so such expenditure should be disallowed. Issue involved. The issue is considered that provision section 14A can be invoked in disallowing the expenditure incurred in respect of income in which reduction is claimed under section chapter 6A. So this is the problem. Chapter 6A, we are claimed reduction, but at the same time, we are disallowing the expenditure. How? The issue comes up with the Delhi High Court, CIT, CRIBCO 2012. There was observed that the word do not form part of total income under this act. Under section 14, you are significant important income which qualifies as a deduction under section 80C to 80U has to be first included in the gross total income of the assessee and then allowed as deduction. However, the income referred to Chapter 3 do not form part of the total income. Therefore, as per Section 14A, no reduction shall be allowed in respect of expenditure incurred by the assessee in relating to such income which doesn't form part of the total income. Section 80 says that it is an income if any expenditure to be charged with Chapter 6A, when that is be form part of income, then after it should be disallowed and it should be charged to the reduction. But Section 14A said it is a no, that's a non, no reduction shall be allowed in respect of expenditure incurred by the assessee because the income doesn't form part of the total income. Okay. So deduction of ATP cover Chapter 6A is differ from the exclusion exemption provision Chapter 3. Conclusion. Applying the rationale above Delhi High Court rules of the case, the action taken by the assessing officer disallowing the expenditure incurred in respect of income into deduction under Chapter 6 is claimed by invoking the provision of Chapter 14A, therefore it is not tenable by law. So whatever 14A of disallowing the insurer, it is not tenable by law. This was an High Court order. So such income can be added, even though it is not forming part of the income, the deduction is allowed.